got hail. Son of a biscuit eater. Oh, sweet Mary. Please, good Lord, protect us. Oh, this is... honey bunches of oats. Oh, damn. My body is so conflicted. I am terrified. I am exhilarated. Is this what it's like to be a real storm chaser?
Yep.
Man, this is... My heart rate is like 140 right now. 142.
Ooh, I can't see.
I'm shaking. This is part of being a storm chaser. I'm shaking. I apologize if the video is shaky. I got a little bit of adrenaline going on. I'm terrified of the windshield given. That says pea-sized hail. That's cute.
Yeah.
That's cute.
Well, I would say call it in, but they may not be able to hear us.
Right. Like, I would argue that this was bigger hail than Amelia's birthday. Like, the report said 1 inch, and I would agree with that. That it's hailing. I'll give you my update once I'm done recording, once we're out of this thick. Okay. Heart rate down to 126, but it got up to like 142. Severe thunderstorm warning for your location. Yeah, no kidding. So that rush, is that what people do it for? That rush that I felt?
Mostly.
Oh, there's a semi-truck under the overpass.
Oh, Lord.
Dude, just park. Oh my gosh. Look at that.
That's nuts.
Look at that. Stand still because of the hail. Y'all. That was bonkers.
I'm not parking there. I'm going to the bank.
Everybody's parking. Oh my lord.
That's why bank.
This
People
is-
probably hadn't thought about the bank yet.
This is bonkers. People have thought about the bank.
Yeah, but
Yeah, I saw a headlight.
hopefully that's not.
See, he used the ATM.
And not much shelter there.
See,
Well, that sucks.
yep. Hey, free trash can. See if your phone will finally cooperate. So I can see what we're playing with here. That we're hopefully over with. We're getting something. We're getting something. Okay. We are in between two hail cores. Look at that. There's a hail core about to go right over our house.
And then the one that we just went through.
And then the one we just went through. So I'm gonna message Dad.